Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are diving into something truly wild, a vehicle that looks like it drove straight out of a futuristic dream. This is the 2026 Ford Motorhome, a massive double-decker beast finished in a stunning glossy pink and white color scheme that instantly turns heads wherever it goes. If you love oversized luxury vehicles with a touch of fantasy design, this review is going to be a treat for you. So let's jump right in and take a full look at the exterior, the interior, the performance, and of course the price. Let's start with the exterior, because honestly this is where the vehicle makes its first big impression. The front end features a bold curved windshield that wraps around smoothly, giving the driver a wide panoramic view of the road. The headlights are sleek and modern, styled with a chrome finish and a thin amber accent strip that gives the front fascia a premium and futuristic look. The body is coated in a glossy pearl pink finish combined with crisp white trim panels, and the paintwork reflects light beautifully, almost like the surface of a polished gemstone. Moving to the side profile, this is where the true personality of the vehicle shines through. It features two full levels, making it a genuine double-decker motorhome. There is a foldable staircase built directly into the side that extends outward, allowing access to the upper deck. Up top, you will find a balcony-style area with a glass railing and soft ambient LED lighting running along the edges, perfect for enjoying a view at a campsite or scenic location. The roofline curves smoothly from front to back, giving the whole vehicle an aerodynamic and futuristic silhouette despite its massive size. At the rear, the design stays consistent with the front, featuring symmetrical LED taillights, a rounded bumper, and more chrome detailing. The wheels are seriously impressive too. This thing rides on a triple-axle setup with oversized black wheels and polished chrome rims, giving it a strong and heavy-duty stance on the road. The wheel arches are finished with chrome trim as well, adding another layer of shine to the exterior package. Now let's step inside and talk about the interior, because this is where the vehicle transforms from a show-stopping exterior into a genuinely livable space. Starting with the dashboard, Ford has gone with a very futuristic layout here. You get wraparound digital displays, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and soft ambient lighting in pink and white tones that matches the exterior theme perfectly. The control console is minimal and clean, focusing on a modern and simplified driving experience rather than overwhelming the driver with buttons and switches. Heading further back, the kitchen area is compact but incredibly stylish. The cabinetry follows the same pastel pink and white theme, paired with a marble-style countertop that adds a touch of elegance. Stainless steel appliances are built directly into the cabinetry, and soft LED lighting runs underneath the cabinets, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere even during nighttime use. A large tinted window sits above the kitchen counter, letting in plenty of natural light during the day. Now let's head upstairs to the bedroom, which is honestly one of the most impressive parts of this whole build. The bedroom features plush white and pink bedding, soft recessed ceiling lighting, and a large panoramic window with sheer curtains that let in a gentle amount of natural light while still maintaining privacy. The overall feel of the bedroom is calm, cozy, and surprisingly luxurious for a vehicle of this type. It genuinely feels more like a boutique hotel suite than a traditional motorhome bedroom. Throughout the vehicle, the windows play a big role in the overall experience. They are large, tinted, and positioned strategically to maximize natural lighting while keeping the interior private from the outside world. Whether you are sitting in the kitchen, relaxing in the bedroom, or standing on the upper deck balcony, the view outside always feels open and connected to the surroundings. Now let's talk about performance. While this is clearly a design-forward concept vehicle, the underlying engineering focuses on stability and comfort rather than outright speed. The triple-axle configuration and reinforced chassis are built to handle the extra weight of a two-level structure, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride even at highway speeds. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven road surfaces so that life inside the motorhome stays steady, especially important when you consider people could be relaxing upstairs while the vehicle is in motion. Braking performance is also reinforced given the size and weight, with heavy-duty disc brakes across all axles to ensure safe stopping power. Finally, let's talk about price, because a vehicle like this obviously does not come cheap. Given the level of customization, the double-deck structure, luxury interior finishes, and advanced lighting and technology features, a vehicle like this would likely fall into the ultra-luxury RV category, with pricing potentially reaching several $100,000 depending on the level of customization and materials used. This is not your average family road trip vehicle. It is closer to a rolling luxury apartment, built for those who want to travel in maximum comfort and style without sacrificing any modern conveniences. So that wraps up our full review of the 2026 Ford Motorhome. From its jaw-dropping pink and white exterior, to its cozy and luxurious interior, all the way to its performance capabilities and price expectations, this vehicle truly pushes the boundaries of what a motorhome can look and feel like. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video and subscribe to MH Car Review for more incredible vehicle breakdowns like this one. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.